Hi guys, it's Allie Dowsdell here at Creativation 2020 and I am in the We Are Memory Keepers booth, and I wanted to show you some of our exciting new products you can look forward to coming in the next several months. We're going to start first with the Transfer Quill. This is part of our quill family. We've got the foil quill, the bevel quill, the etch quill, the fabric quill, the singe quill, and the glue quill. And now we're adding the transfer quill. So this is coming in the summer, and this is going to be a heat transfer technology like sublimation. It'll be different colored pens that you add an adapter to and insert into your electronic cutting machine. You can use it with Cricut, Silhouette, Brothers, Sizzix machines, and you'll draw your design on any kind of paper, and then you'll use either your iron or your oven to transfer it to all kinds of different surfaces. So we're really excited about that, and that's going to be coming out in the summer. Some more exciting new releases we have are these beautiful dies and embossing folders for the new Revolution tool. That's our new tabletop die cutting and embossing tool. And we have collaborated with some of your favorite American crafts designers to make these beautiful sets of dies and embossing folders. We've got Jen Hadfield, Paige Evans, Shamel, we've got Heidi Swap, Maggie Holmes, and Amy Tangerine. And so they're just all kinds of beautiful options that go with their collections and their brand. And so that gives you all kinds of new ways to add custom embellishments and designs to your projects. So now we're going to move over to the button maker, and that's been a really popular tool, and I can't wait to show it to you. All right, friends, this one's really fun. This is the button maker, and it allows you to make two different sizes of buttons. You can do a 37 millimeter or a 48 millimeter. And this is also, we have the rosette kit. That's what this looks like. This is the 48, and here's the 37 right here. And it includes all of your parts and pieces to make custom buttons. And this is going to be coming in May. Starts shipping to retailers, so watch for it in stores in June or July in the summer. We're so excited to share our mixed media glass mat with you. This is a 15 by 22 inch mat with a section for working over here and a section for mixing your favorite paints and mixed media products right here. And this glass mat starts shipping in March, so keep an eye out for it in the stores coming in maybe June or May. And next we're going to go over to Tavner, and he is going to show you how our new mold press works. That's been a favorite here at the craft show, and we're really excited that we were able to win the new product award with that. And thanks for joining me, and I'm going to pass it over to Tavner now.
Hey, my name is Tavner Carey, and I'm here demoing our brand new mold press machine. And this machine allows you to turn everyday objects into plastic forms that you can use for molds. So whatever you have lying around your house, you can customize it. Think of the applications for wedding or personalized gifts, for candy making, soap making, candle making, whether you're pouring concrete in there or resin or clay. I mean, the list goes on and on and on, let alone using the actual plastic piece itself for your crafting projects. So let me show you how to do it, because it's really easy. We're going to take a clear piece of plastic, we're going to put it into our magnetic frame here and put it into our machine. This is then going to heat up, so it takes about 1.5 minutes, and as this is heating the plastic's going to start to soften and kind of droop down. So in the meantime, let's figure out what we want to put in there. So I have a bin just full of random things. We have some wood blocks, some Lego blocks, some little crocheted things, all sorts of random items. Let's go ahead and use our seashell here. So we're just going to pop this into the machine right here. But people have been having fun today. They've been customizing things with their name using just foam alphabet stickers, so they could put their business name on there, or a personalized message. We also need to hook the machine up to our vacuum. Most people have a vacuum. It's going to just plug into the back of your machine. The machine actually comes with this adapter here, so it's going to fit most hose diameters on the market. All right, let's take a look and see how it's doing. Yeah, it's starting to soften, and pretty soon we're gonna get a nice kind of bubble dome, and then we're gonna just turn on our vacuum, we're gonna lower it down, and instantaneously it's going to form around whatever we've placed in here, and it happens super fast. So, all right, I think we're ready. Let's go ahead and do this. see how fast that was. This is going to cool down pretty quickly, and as it does so, we can easily pop out our shell. And there we go. You can see the amazing detail and texture that picked up. So all of the fine lines on the shell are actually captured in our mold. And now let's go ahead and take a look at what we can create. So again, I mentioned chocolate making, I mentioned soap making. We can actually use the plastic piece itself to make like a shaker card, for example. And then down below we have all sorts of other things that we've created. We've made crayons, we've made Lego blocks into cupcake toppers. The list goes on and on and on. And we really love creating tools that allow the crafter and the maker to realize their creative vision. And that's exactly what this is.